Swamiji, you call yourself a Paramhamsa. What exactly does this title mean, and who conferred this to you?
It's another controversial subject. Paramahamsa. Exactly the word means great swan, means liberated being. Please understand, Paramahamsa is beyond sannyas, beyond all the four varanas and ashramas, beyond four castes and ashramas. The four castes is Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya and Shudra. Four ashramas, Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasa. Paramahamsa is liberated from all these four varanas and ashramas, who lives graceful, compassionate life, radiating his presence to the world and sharing his life and experience with people. Who is beyond all the social norms and understandings and conditionings. A master who is Paramahamsa by himself recognizes and declares, initiates the other person as Paramahamsa. My master, Mataji Vibhudananda Devi, Kuppammal, who lived as Paramahamsa by herself. She is a Gupta Paramahamsa, hidden from the society, but lived as a Paramahamsa. She was married and she had 4 kids, but lived in the highly evolved consciousness in a hidden way, hidden from the society, Gupta Paramahamsa. So, she initiated me as a Paramahamsa. Same way, Paramahamsa Yogananda's Guru's Guru is married person, but lived as a Paramahamsa. And Paramahamsa Yogananda's Guru, again, he also lived in a highly evolved consciousness. Of course, Paramahamsa's Guru, Paramahamsa Yogananda's Guru is a sannyasi, but his Guru, Master Lagiri Mahashai, is a Grihastha, but lived as a Paramahamsa. And even Master Mahashai, Mahendranath Gupta, even though he is a married person, he lived as a Paramahamsa. And Paramahamsa sometimes live as married Grihasthas or as unmarried individuals. Paramahamsa Yogananda himself did not get married, but Ramakrishna Paramahamsa got married. So it's a Paramahamsa is a person who lives in a higher consciousness. And I did not actually call myself as Paramahamsa. 3 masters have called me as Paramahamsa. One, the Mataji Vibhudananda Devi, Kuppammal. The other, Mahavatar Babaji. And the third, Hamsananda Puri. All these 3 masters have initiated and declared me as Paramahamsa. And that came into being. That's all. Otherwise, I neither feel any connection with any name, nor feel elated by any title. I just feel I am an ordinary being who had some spiritual experience and who shares that experience with whoever comes around me. That's all. So I define myself as a simple human being, ordinary being who had some spiritual experience and who is sharing that experience with the people who are interested in receiving it. Whoever comes around me to receive that experience, I try to share it with them, that's all. Nothing more than that. Traditionally, this Paramahamsa word is almost like declaring, I am dropping all the images forced by society on me. I am not interested in fitting in any frame given to me by society. That is the exact purpose for which this Paramahamsa title is used. Even the Paramahamsa Upanishad declares very clearly, Paramahamsa is a person who declares himself as Paramahamsa, saying, Abhayam sarvabhudebhyo, Abhayam sarvabhudebhyo, Abhayam sarvabhudebhyo. I give refuge to the whole world. I drop from the rat race. I am not going to be a threat for anybody in the world. So I am dropping out from this rat race. So I am just living my life. And he starts living his life. So he just declares, I am dropping from this rat race, mad race. I am not interested in being competition to anybody. I am a dropout. And I will not be a threat to anybody. And he declares himself as Paramahamsa and he lives his life. So, Paramahamsa is the title used by a person to tell the society, I am not interested in any frame you wanted to put me in, and I do not want any title from you. I am just relaxing myself. I am just being away from all the titles. So, I am just a simple being, living my life. It's almost like a declaring your freedom to live your life. There's a beautiful tradition in West Bengal called Bauls. The meaning of that word is Paul, means mad people. They themselves declare that we are mad, don't bother about us. I'll tell you, the greatest freedom is freedom from the images and frames society forces on you. Freedom from images. They declare, we are mad people, please don't bother about us. What a freedom, understand? What a great freedom. Absolute freedom. You can't give any more title than madness. Instead of society telling, they themselves declare, hey, we are mad, just leave us, let us live alone. Don't bother us. So just like the Baul society, Paramahamsa title is also almost like declaring, don't bother us. We are not interested in any titles. We are not interested in any claims, frames, titles, anything. We are just living our life. Let us live our life. So, we can say the literal meaning of the word Paramahamsa is a great swan who is liberated from all bondages, who lives in high consciousness, who is beyond all the social norms and regulations. And the title is used usually to tell society that don't bother us. We are living our life. Let us live our life. That's all. Next.